becoming better. Look at that motor tap.
Going forward. Oh, that's Marquez and Jorge Martin. They've tangled in turn 4, and that is your lot. Pecco Bagnaia is the 2023 MotoGP World Champion. It's all gone wrong for Martin. He connects on Marc Marquez, who gets launched into orbit. That was horrendous for Marc Marquez, and that is it. It's not the finish, not the dramatic finish we were hoping for. Let's hope that the 8-time world champion is okay. A painful ending to his career as a HRC rider. On the inside he goes. We're going to get a flash of red on there in front of us, and that fires Marc Marquez. A good 10 or 12.
Marc Marquez eine Reaktion auf die Tifosi heute mit im Gepäck hat. Das waren nämlich gestern die Reaktionen auf seinen Sturz. Einerseits von Valentino Rossi himself.
Find out who the 2025 victor is.
Marquez.
I mean, Marc has been on stage so much tonight, he could have hosted the awards. It would have saved him a few trips.
I promise.
Your 2025 MotoGP World Champion, Marc Marquez.
You have 3 words for Marc Marquez. I make them clean, please.
Small fucking bastard.
Rosy Mandalika, ya. Rosy Alibaba, ya. Rosy Mandalika. Rosy Mandalika. Okay.